Hello, tribe. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today I am going to be harvesting the broccoli. This is my first harvest of the broccoli that I planted about 2 months ago in my garden here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. So I noticed that my broccoli was putting out flower heads or the broccoli heads about 2 weeks ago. Think I am ready to cut some of the broccoli heads today. So let me show you what I am gonna be doing to harvest the broccoli. Come along with me. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm gonna be harvesting this broccoli head right here. This one, it's big enough, and I'm gonna be using a sharp knife. Look at this, guys. Look at this tribe. I'm so excited. So that's one. I think I will harvest two for today. Okay, let's harvest this one as well. Let me show you how I do it. Look at this. So beautiful. Tribe, this is my harvest. I have two broccoli heads and I'm very pleased. I am very, very pleased with the results. So full of health, so full of nutrients. I am very, very pleased with the harvest. So I will take this inside right now and steam it for about 3 minutes or so to preserve all of the nutrients. Super delicious, super nutritious, low in calories. I continue to encourage all of us to grow something because when you grow vegetables or whatever in your own backyard or wherever you have space, you do grow health. I truly believe that. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the support. If this video inspires you to grow a garden, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and I will catch you in my next one. Bye-bye.